Hi family, welcome back again to my channel. In this week we are going to be talking about skincare. Okay, looking to start a skincare routine and you don't know what to use, please check on The Ordinary. Okay, check on The Ordinary. And if you go to The Ordinary, where you can, their shop, and you don't even know what to ask them, for example, which cleanser, which whatever, which toner, please request for the squalene set. The squalene set comes in four different products. It comes in a cleanser. This is the cleanser. Okay, this is a cleanser. It's a cream. All you need to do is to rub it on your dry skin. Okay, massage it to your dry skin and then let it dry for maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute, and you wash it off with warm water. Let me read the directions on the cleanser. Dispense product into hands, rub together to warm the product. So you have to warm the product on your hands, like warm it. Okay, warm it. Or if you don't warm it on your hands, you can just put the product on your face and warm it on your face. Okay, and allow it to melt into an oil. It's a cream, but when you melt it, like when you rub it, it becomes an oil on your face. Okay, massage well onto dry face and rinse with warm water. That is the cleanser, guys. That is the cleanser. If you can't buy this cleanser, you can buy any cleanser from CeraVe. CeraVe has a very mild cleanser, from normal oily skin to sensitive skin. Every skin type you have, the Ordinary CeraVe have cleanser for you. But today we are talking about Ordinary. The squalene cleanser is very mild, and if you have sensitive skin, it's even good for you because it doesn't cause any harsh reaction. It doesn't burn the face, it doesn't dry the face. Okay, when you are done using the cleanser, that's the face wash, you go over with your toner. This is the toner. And what I like about this toner is, even though it's for the face, if you have dark armpits, guys, it's going to clear it. Or maybe I will make a separate video about that. If you have dark armpit, this Ordinary toner is going to clear your dark armpit. So all you need to use, what you need to do is just find a cotton pad like that, put a tiny bit on it, and then rub it on your face in circular motion. Don't drag it very hard. Okay, just rub it on your face in circular motion to clear all those impurities the soap was not able to clear. The reason you should be using a toner is it tones your skin and it clears all the residue that the soap was not able to remove from your face, guys. And it makes your skin so nice and supple, so smooth. Okay, so this is the toner. You can use it on your elbows, your knees, your knuckles, your neck, dark necks, in between your thighs. If you have all these dark areas you want to fade, please use it. It's very good. When you are done using the toner, please, you go over with your serum. This is the skincare for beginners. So we started with a cleanser. A cleanser means soap for the face. After the cleanser, we go over with a toner. Okay, this is the toner. The toner is what we use with the cotton pad. People try to save because they say if you pour it in the cotton pad, it soaks a lot. So sometimes they also like to put on their palm and then dab it onto the face. But me, I don't like that, because I find it that when I use with the pad, I get all the dirt from my face, especially now that I have makeup on. When I wash my makeup off, it won't go off completely, but this toner will just remove everything from my face. It's from The Ordinary, guys. The Ordinary. After the toner, we go over with a serum, guys. This is the ascorbic acid serum. Okay, this is the ascorbic acid serum, vitamin C serum. You can use vitamin C in the daytime or at night, guys. Daytime or at night. This is how it is. You just take a tiny bit from, this is how you can use 2 to 3 drops, guys, and then massage it on your face and on your neck. Okay, massage it entirely. Don't forget the back of your neck is very necessary. So after you are done with the serum, we go over with a moisturizer, guys. We go over with a moisturizer. Moisturizer is the face cream, okay? And what I like about this face cream is it has HA factors, guys. Natural moisturizing factors plus HA. And HA tones the skin, it clears your dark spots, it hydrates your skin, and that means you should be using sunscreen after this product, please. Okay, let me read the directions. Apply as needed. Use at the last step of your skincare. That is after you wash your face, you tone your face, you use your serum. This should be the last step, okay? You apply it as your moisturizer and let your face glow, okay? And this is so good. Don't forget your neck, please. Make sure you extend it to your neck and to the back of your neck. So if you are a new beginner, I suggest this this set for you. It comes in 4 sets. I suggest this set for you, but you can also check CeraVe set or Simple. This brand from Simple is a cheap skincare brand that you can also buy. Yeah, this is very cheap. It costs about 30 something euros. I'm not really sure of the price. Guys, check it out. It's very cheap and it works, guys. It works. This is my go-to skincare for my face, okay? I use all this in the morning and I use all this at night, but normally I add my Nivea night cream because this is like a day cream, okay? This is a day cream. So sometimes if my face feels so dull and I want to brighten a little bit, I go over with maybe my BB Clear, this cream a little bit, okay? Maybe once a week or twice a week I go over with this one, but this is like my everyday face routine, okay? This is my face routine for the morning, okay? And sometimes if I don't use the squalene cleanser, I use my CeraVe cleanser or African black soap. I don't have sensitive skin, so I don't really care about what soap I'm using to wash my face. So it's either African black soap, CeraVe face soap, or this one, okay? So guys, don't do yourself harm. Just go and buy it and thank me later, okay? And if you have used it and it was nice on your skin or it wasn't nice on your skin, you can leave your comment in the comment section so that you can motivate others if it worked or it did not work. But I think it works, guys. I think it works. Okay, look at how where the bottle I've used. I love this one. It's a very big bottle. You won't waste your money. It's 240 ml in the bottle, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. Go and buy it. Even if you won't buy anything, even if you don't buy the set, please just buy the toner and your face will thank you. You are going to glow, guys. You're going to glow. You can use this toner with every cream, every soap, okay? Now I leave you. The name is Always Live with Efua. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and tap on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to see. Thank you and lots of love from me. Bye.